Hi there, and welcome to Giggle Inc. As you know, I'm Mercedes, and I'm here at the Giggle Inc. Lounge where I get to tell you guys a little bit of what is going on over here, and then some. Comadres y compadres, amigas, amigos, chicas, chicos, everybody. So I have a disclaimer, actually a big disclaimer. Though my segmental presentations are really not intellectual, to say the least, I must do this, and remember that if I forget to tell you guys this in the future, just remember that I am not a philosopher, I am not a writer, and I am not an inventor. I just hear and repeat stuff. Sometimes it's good stuff, sometimes it's bad stuff. Unfortunately, I like to repeat it all. In any event, comadres y compadres, though I'm not plagiarizing anything because I'm not writing it, I need to let you guys know this. And with that being said, I want you to know that this segmental presentation is going to be really short and sweet. And I'm going to get to the point because this is something that I heard that I really think you guys need to listen to and share. And it goes like this. You have no reason to be sad because happiness wakes up with you every morning. Happiness should be an infectious feeling. Happiness should be a contagious feeling. Happiness should be spread. When it's a little bit later in the day and things aren't going your way, remember that happiness woke up with you. So embrace it and get back into it. If you see someone who is really not being themselves and they're looking a little sad, go ahead and let them know that they have no reason to be sad because happiness wakes up with them every morning. In any event, I hope that you take this segmental presentation for what it is, which is just a short phrase of encouragement. And you should spread it. Until the next time.